Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Hanan. Welcome to Avocado channel. In today's video we are going to make rice with milk or rice pudding. It's a popular Egyptian dish and in many other Arab countries. It's a kind of dessert. I hope you like the video. For today's recipe we need 3/4 cup poached short grain rice full of starch, rich in starch, added to 1.5 cup of water. Cook medium heat until boiling. When boiling, stir continuously to prevent burning. When boiling, turn the heat down. Stir until rice absorbs water. Now add 1.5 liter full cream milk. Boiling, add 3/4 cup of sugar. Up to you. You can use more or less sugar. It's up to your taste. Cook on low heat. Stir continuously to prevent burning. Add also 1/2 cup of milk cream, whipping cream or cooking cream, any kind of milk cream. In 1/2 cup of milk, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of cream chantilly powder or whipping cream powder. Then add the mixture to the rice and milk. Add a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir to prevent burning. Stir until thickened. I think it is ready. Put immediately in dishes or plates. On top you can add some raisins, shredded coconut or some nuts or a pinch of cinnamon. Put in the refrigerator before eating about 2 or 3 hours. I hope you like the video. Till we meet again, goodbye.